What is up, YouTube? Alright, Nick here, and we have ourselves a cutting video. And this is going to be Clutch H of 2015. This is Diablo times Halo, Fire Spider times Fire. So we're going to see what we've got. This is day 57, so these guys should be getting ready just any time now. And we're going to be looking for either Fire Spider, Super Fire, or possibly normal. But let's see what we got here. We're going to go ahead and just start with H1 here. Let's see if I'm lined up. Okay, I'm going to want to put my hand about even with the back of this thing. So we're going to get right to H1 here as soon as I figure out how to get my scissors right. Seems like just yesterday I was doing this, but it's been quite a while actually. Alright, so what I want to do is kind of get the scissors up right along the shell of this egg so that there's not really much in the egg, so we don't poke the baby. Don't want to do that. Just going to go real gently, real carefully here, and see if we can see what we've got in here. Alright, I can see it, but I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. That is probably a fire spider right there. We'll cut this open just a little bit more, see if I can actually get the camera to pick it up. I believe I'm looking at a fire spider here in H1. Yeah, there we go. Now you can see him. I'm pretty sure that's a fire spider. It's got the really light dorsal line. As usual, it's kind of hard to tell when they're in the egg. It could just be a spider. But since we've got fire being contributed twice here, I'm gonna the higher guess would be fire spider on that one. Time will tell. Alright, H2 is next. So, spider certainly, fire probably. Okay. This one shouldn't be too hard to get a hold of since it's got that ridge right along the top of it. And this little guy here, well, I'm not going to say anything until I actually see inside the egg, but I think I see white in this egg, and if I see white, that can only mean one thing, can't it? And unless this guy is upside down, H2 is a super fire. So, we got success already. Yep, that is a super fire. Always good to see one of those little guys. Now, I can't tell if he's got yellow on him or not. If it does have yellow on it, it's not going to be very much at all. So, this actually might be a little tusk. Got a lot of blood getting out into the egg, but alright. Super Fire H2. Good deal. Good to see. And I got egg goo on my hands already. We're only halfway through this thing. Alright, H3. Again, it's going to be real easy to get a hold of this thing because of the the ridge. But I don't really want to cut at that angle. So I'm going to start at the ridge and try to make myself a new ridge. Just, real careful. These scissors, you always make sure the tip of these things is pointing kind of sort of upwards when you actually start moving in here. But yeah, already excited to see that super fire. I think everybody that watches this video will be excited to see that super fire. This one is not a super fire, but I can't tell what it is because I can't get a hold of this egg. Ugh. Okay, easy does it. My hands kind of get shaky when I'm in these. That's a spider, fire spider. Again, it's really hard to tell with just, I'm going to say that's a fire spider though because of the kind of flaming, right there. See that right there? Could also be a fire. I'm trying to look. I can't really get a good look at this one. I think it may just be a fire. Yes. That's a fire. You can see pattern right there. Yep. Okay, so we got a fire. Still don't know if H1 is a spider or a fire spider. That's always annoying. It bugs the crap out of me. Bugs the crap out of me because I can't tell. I just can't see enough to know. I'm just guessing fire spider because there's so much fire. So much fire in this pairing, Seems less likely that we have a spider. But it could happen. Could happen. Alright, we're up to 7 minutes, so I probably need to make this snappy here. I don't know how much video I've got left on this thing, on this memory card. Alright, H4. Got a nice little ridge to cut along on this one. It's always good. So far, 3 healthy babies, by the way. They all 3 look good, and this has got a lot of black on it. I mean, a lot of black on it. It's a fire. It's another fire. Oh, that's his head. Okay. That's why it's got so much black, because that's its head. Okay. Yep, another fire. So, 2 fires, 1 super fire, and 1 spider of some sort. Let's see if I can open this so you can see the little fire baby here. I believe it's a little fire baby. Could be a little normal baby, but I don't know. That's iffy. That actually might one out of 8 chance to get a normal, and I really think that's probably what we got. But that's alright. We did get a super fire, so that's always great. But here you go. It's a little normal, I think. Probably. Let's see if we can get a look at that head. It does kind of have some blushing on the head, so I always hold out hope that it might be a fire. Alright then. So I actually hit the odds about like what you expect for a 4-egg clutch. A fire, a spider, something, super fire, and I'm guessing that's a normal. I'm really going to say it's a normal because I've got a fire here to compare it to, and yeah, the fire just looks a lot better. But alright, this video is getting long, so we know what we got now, and I will thank you for watching. See you next time.